In this lesson, we'll review how you can create a category for contacts, how to add an individual contact and manage their parameters, and then creating menu items for both an individual contact and for a list of contacts. To manage contacts, you need to go to the Components menu. The Contact Manager is a component that comes with Joomla, meaning it's a core component. To find it, you can go to Components, then Contacts. Initially, we're going to go to Categories so we can create categories to put our contacts in. The categories can be nested. As you can see from the sample data here, they've already nested many categories. They've even nested categories for each letter of the alphabet. For right now, let's create a department directory that we can use for the aquarium. So to create the new category, click on New. For the title, let's put in Departments. The parent, for now, we're going to leave as no parent. We're going to leave the access and permissions as the default. And if we want to, we can give a description. For right now, we're just going to click Save and Close. The next step is to create the contacts within the category. So to do that, I can click on Contacts and then click on New to add a new contact. The first contact I'll put in the system is a general contact. This will be the main person that you will contact if you want information about the aquarium. I'll call it General Contact. You can assign this contact to a specific user in the site, but for right now, we're not going to. For the category, let's select Departments. We can add a description for this category. For General Contact, doesn't really need any specific description. On the right-hand side, you can see there's a button for Contact Details. If you can click on that now, this is a pretty big change compared to 1.5. Initially, 1.5, most of the information here used to be on the left-hand side. Now it's all on the right. Another very exciting enhancement that they've put in is the image. In old 1.5, you had to actually already upload the image in order to attach it to a contact. But now I can click on Select, and then I can click on Upload. I'm just going to upload our Joom Aquarium logo. I can now click on it and click on Insert. And it will put it inside of the Images box. I can give this person a position, which it's a general contact, so I don't need one. The email address, I'll just put info. I'll put the address, the city, the state, the zip, the country. I can put the phone number. I can put the cell phone, the fax, the website, which I don't need for this. In addition, you have what are called the display options. These can also be set at a global level. This is where you define how you're going to display the contact's information on the screen, such as you're going to display the name, their position, their email address, and so forth. You can also add a URL link to each contact if you want to put additional links in addition to the website, and you can put labels for them. The next option is the contact form. In the contact form, you can decide if you're going to show it or not, any banned emails, or any information you want to put in there. In addition, there's something called the contact redirect. In here, you can put in a specific URL where you want the user to be taken to after they fill out the form. So for right now, I'm going to click Save and Close. Let's say we want to create a couple of contacts in this category. So I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to add a contact, let's say for membership, employment, and group sales. So that way we have a couple of contacts in this category. I'm going to add them now. And I have to make sure to select the category of departments. And I'm going to put in some details. such as a different phone number. Then I can click Save and New. This makes it easier for me to add another contact. Now I will add employment. Again, I need to select the right category, put in the contact details. Here I'll put in an email address, Save and New. And then I will add one more for group sales. I'll put in the email. And a special phone number that they should call if they want to speak with someone in the group sales department. Save and close. Now that we've added a couple of contacts into the department's category, let's create menu items so we can display them on the website. So if you go to Menus and About Joomla, first I want to create a link to the general contact information. So to do that, I can click on New, click on Select. I'm going to use single contact for the type. The menu title will be Contact Us. And then very important, I need to put in what contact I want to click on. So if I click on Change Contact, I can click on General Contact and it's listed right here. And then I'll hit Save and New. This way I can create another menu item instantaneously. The next menu item I want to create is a menu item that lists to all of my different departments. So I'm going to click on List Contacts in a Category. And the menu title will be Department List. I need to select the category. I'm going to click on Departments and then click Save and Close. Now let's preview the site. On the left-hand side, I have Contact Us. And this takes me to my General Contact Us page. To see the form, I can click on the form and it opens up. Or I can click on Department List. And this shows me the list of contacts that are in that category. In this lesson, we went over the Contact Manager in Joomla. We created a category to put our contacts in. We created an individual contact. We then created a menu item for that individual contact. And then last, we created a menu item for a group of contacts in a specific category.